Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a background to text in photopea. Let's get started. First of all, add it in text, then click anywhere, wait few seconds and type any text. Okay, and added a background. Again, create a new layer. Use shape background. Example, I use rectangle shape background. Change the color, text color white. Hold Alt, select text, then align middle. And use image background. Go to file, open, and open, click any image, click image, right click, clipping mask, or edit text background, again right click, clipping mask. See this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.